morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is the Boss Couple 22, and today we have come to Twickenham and to a place called
the Eel Pie Island. Apparently it's a place where a lot of artisans reside or operate their businesses from, workshops, studios, the lot. So let's go in there, let's take a look.
So today, tomorrow, and then 2 days in July. So we're really fortunate to be able to come today. So we're very excited. So join us.
Before this footbridge was built in 1957, the island was only accessible by ferry, which could be precarious.
This is the only way onto the island via this bridge. Already you can see nice looking boats, outhouses and homes. It tends to get busy down here, so let's go have a look and see what it's all about.
Eel Pie Island has a rich history, including being a hotspot for British rock and roll in the 1950s and 60s.
To see the old signs that they've got on these buildings. Somebody did tell me about headless mannequins and finds. As we saw earlier, it is a working boatyard, and boats are in here for dry docking and renovation.
Artists and musicians throughout history have been attracted to the island, and many continue to live here today. The island was originally called Twickenham 8, but was renamed Eel Pie Island in the 1830s after an inn on the island began serving eel pies to wealthy riverboat day trippers. There used to be an Eel Pie Island hotel, which was a 19th century ballroom which hosted many gigs by artists such as the Rolling Stones, The Who, Pink Floyd and Screaming Lord Sutch. In 1967, after concerts stopped, the hotel became a hippie commune and burned down in 1971. Artists and musicians throughout history have been attracted to the island, and many continue to live here today.
We've taken a tour around the Eel Pie Island, which is a private island, and it's only open 4 times a year, today, tomorrow and 2 days in July. So what did you think of it? Let us know in the comments below.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and yo, make sure you share the video, yeah? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You know who we are. It's the Boss Couple 22.
So, we'll
See you on the next one. Take care.